Welcome to Moja Love Channel 157 ngwana wa Tshwenya. Sisephiri ke manje emsodra so wethu sizobona uMamfeiti uhlushwa umntwana wakhe uAmukhelani lo mntwana una 12 years old. Yagalavanta ubuye ebusuku kuyabhemiwa khona lapho kuningi sizozwela ngaphakathi masifika suze ukuthi kwenzakalani and then sibone ukuthi sisiza kanjani. Moja Love Channel 157 Chiphima Orange Ghetto Professor King Manamune, one and the only Israel Matsake Zulu Boss Ori. Follow me. Samben bafethu siza nomphakathi. Good.
Lebitso la ka ke Faith Maiba. Ke dula Amkhalang, my daughter and my partner. Ke ngolletse ngwana wa Tshwenya because I feel like I cannot get through to Amkhalang ngwanaka. I ke mkhuza akhuze like obile di chomi ko pele, and my most worry kore nka ragate sekolo like uphetha grade 8 but she's not keen on with the homework, you know. Ha batla mthusa wa kwata, ha motsa ka sekolo wa kwata. A ke checka dibuka tsa hae ke thola di ball pen tse ready about to show that anje ha ona ntho e etsang sekolong but she does go to school.
Dumela.
Ke teng le kae?
Oh, wena Faith ka lebitso?
Ke nna Faith.
Okay. So re tswa ko Moja Love ngwana wa Tshwenya Channel 157 nna ka lebitso ke nna Israel Matsake Zulu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thabela tseo.
Yeah, you are allowed to introduce yourself.
Oh, hamba nomqondisi uJiyane mama.
Okay. Yeah, risasinyana ko because nelanga selishonile. Uribiditse ne? Because una le problem. Ka ngwana. Feel free. Khululeka o re tlhalosetse gore ke eng bothata.
Okay, firstly, aka modisa ngwana ka ne. Ke mthotse ke etsa grade 12. I was 17 years old. Okay, ngwana o tse jwalo in between my granddad le my late Nkgono Maki. She's my grandfather's cousin. And then fast forward to 2023, netsa grade 7 tata khotlile Tronkong, the grandmom o dula le yena, mme wa tata o dula le yena. And then during the year ka bo June, the grandmom aba kona ai mina ngisakhona cela uthatha umntanakho. Beke re ke sharp ke tamthatha mntana but ke tlamthatha ka December. O ga tlo dula le nna se ke dula mo Soweto ka shitse ko Proteatland. And then mathata qala mo ore amu ntho qala ke noticetseng ha ke moroma ona tsaba more than 2 hours. A etsang a itshisa in between her thighs a go tshistwe ke bana ba sekolo. And then always hana homework o dula le strateng tlo strateng maybe ka bo 9 ipsi or sometimes o shape bo 10 a so khutli ke tsamaya ke lo mmatla ke ska mthola a khutla jampe mabota nyonyo ba kena go bala. And then ya qala mo ka birthday ya hae last year ka mmona ko Facebook live anwa atsuba nana savana atsuba I think natsuba happy. Yeah, and then kamkhuza I think atloela because azanke samutla angha bo happy and dipia tseo ke qala o notice ga sa hlapa una lo ya sekolo nga sa hlapa a hlatswe a ke sa mhlatswetsa because of a misbehavior so ke mhlatswetse ha ihlahlatswe o apara daparo tse fail repeatedly or a hlatswe outfit A1 a kenya over the weekend. And then the second told you tell kerekeng ha ba tlo ya kerekeng yena kazama intervention ya kerekeng ba ne batla ba bua le yena at some Sunday school but nothing changed. Instead untaba worse la attitude ya hae nje towards nna ha ke mkhalmela wa ntsheya mabona ka bo March ka qala o utlwa di voice ke bona ditho sa leong babo. And then the rest of thing didn't convince her I give me a sharp for ngwana ho I be ke no dipidisi ke overdose dipidisi ke batla o feel better a be ke admitiwa ke na hospital ko ICU.
So usibizile thina what are you expecting?
Okay, nna aholo ke batla hore a thole safe space ya ho bua a kgone ho bua problem ya gona ke ha kgone ho express at all
ya ke ra gola le wena
even le batho ba kitseng ba intervene ha kgone so nna ntho ke expectileng ke safe space hore a bore so that they can help her man ana ntho tshwareyang o dula gana problem ngabo so nna ke vele ke nke ka gore maybe ko ga ka modisa maybe a ka mtshwara sharp I don't know
utheo babakhe ophi yena
wakhe manje angazi ukuthi ukuphi but for the past 2 bekasejele uye 2022 and then bazama kubo kumrehabilitate and stuff but I think bese kabhema ama-drugs because ubukeka njengomuntu obhema ama-drugs vele
ubabakhe
unyamalele manje ngizwe iroom yokuthi ubuyele ejele angazi
uyazizwa naye umntwana lezo indaba lezo
umntwana yena ngiyamtshela vele ukuthi ubaba khwaye ugogo wakhe uthi ubaba kho sekasejele and then yena ugcina ukuya lapho last year December makabuya khona wathi akasafuni next emhlanganise nalabantu
akasafuni ukuya ekhaya kubo
akasafuni kuya lapho
kusho ukuthi kuneyindaba afika azizwa ngale zingekho right
ugogo bekanogogo Roy should I pass on awona mthotlo batla ngomunka
sitholele yena amogelang amogelang dumela o kae teng first thing kopa o ntshe hoodie o ntshe le mask a re thome ka gore nna ke nna Israel Matsheke Zulu ke tsamaya le my brother
umqondisi uJiyane
ke mqondisi ke Jiyane I want you to feel free barongwana o sa buing so today I want you gore o bue gore ke tlo kgona go thusa Mam Faith tlhalosetsa amogelang gore ke ka lebaka la eng re dutse so today o re biditse
okay nana angisho uyazi ukuthi ngizamile ukuthi mina nawe sibe ne-relationship ngendlela eningi siloko sihluleka and then ngaqina ngifike esibhedlela ngisho so-ke ngibhalele ungwana wathwenya ukuthi I believe ukuthi bona ezesho banama-expects yabo angakusiza ukuthi wena ukwazi ukuthi ube comfortable ngokukhuluma nami because mina awukhona ukukhuluma nami uyakhala or uma ufuna ukukhuluma ushout yabo
angithwenyi it's just that bokuyilawo ma-misunderstanding between mina nomama that's why mina ngwana wathwenyi
so ngibabizela ukuthi at least ba-create le safe space yokuthi ukwazi ukukhuluma nami nokuthi bakubonise ukuthi izinto engifuna ukuthi uzenze njengezinto zasendlini nani akusukuthi ngiyakuphanisha but it's because ngikufundisa umsebenzi na for kusasa yabo kahle the main reason ngiyakubona konke lokho ngibalethelela ukuthi at least mina nawe sibe ne-connection sikwazi ukuthi si-connect sibe ne-relationship njengomama nomntwana because dala sizama siyi-2 sahluleka
mama sicela usichazisele ukuthi inkinga lezi eninazo wena nomntwana wakho nalezi zinto lezi othanda ukuthi azenze angazenzi zik-affecte kangakanani
yo usavani le-relationship lengwanaka konke ntso ke feel hore life is not worth living because all along nnaseyo pelaka and nna ne ke itwetse hore ke a zama hore ke tsetse bophelo for yena tlo phela comfortably
Mina ayikho into enziwa mama mengayithanda. Umama to be honest, uyangijabulisa kakhulu.
You know, so now sekele sharp laughing. Akusakhona uyibona ukuthi exam awuyet instead re drift apart. So yeah, it landed me in hospital.
What was the cause?
Attempted suicide.
Oh, you attempted the suicide. As you felt life is worthless because what you've been working for, it came total opposite.
Yes.
Ngingazibuza ukuthi why mama kanti yena angahlali nami phansi akhulume nami because into akazayenza lo makakhuluma nami uma uyangithethisa and akakhuluma ukuthi uzizwa kanjani. So I was very shocked, but then namanje lento le ngayikhiphe encondeni nami ukuthi umama bakafuna ungishiye emhlabeni.
Awungitshele ke. Ukungafuna ukwenza umsebenzi wasekhaya, ukwasha izitsha, ukuklina, ungawashi neimpahla zakho. Kubangelwa yini?
Sometimes mangiklina umama bakathanda ukuza nabangani bakhe bangcolisa. So mina and umama makabuye obvious angeke azabuza ukuthi waye kungcolile. Ufika ngithethisa ukuthi angiklinanga. So bese ngicela nami ngikhathala ngicela ngasafuna ukwenza ngoba mangenze every time uyangcolisa. And then ngamtshela why stop ukuthi ase nabangani bakhe acela sekaza yi1.
Ubani? Umamakho?
Umalume wami.
Oh, umalume wakho.
To be honest, ayikho into engathi yangiphazamisa or yangidistracta from yenza ukuthi ngenze leso into emama ngisifunayo. Into ebenza ukuthi mina nomama singazwani it's because bokuye lonto leyo cleaner nokulwa but then nje bengekho into esilwelayo.
So esikolweni uyacopa? Uyaphasa esikolweni?
Cha bengaphasi eqaleni but then this time I can see ukuthi ngiya improve.
Yeah, okay.
Ngiyaqala ukuzimisa umsebenzi wami esikole sithi umama ewakhuluma nami nefamily yami sahlala phansi. Nga understand lapho nalapho.
Okusho ukuthi lama issue efamily affect up to that far ukuthi uluze the concentration esikolweni. But manje you are reforming, you are concentrating. Uzophasa. Okay. Uzoba yini makhulile?
Ngifuna ukuba pilot.
Okay. Yeah, keep focus.
Ngaphambili sengizimisela ukuthi vele ngithathe incwadi zami zesikolo serasi ngifunde, jabulisa umama wami, ngenze izinto eziright.
Ngiyezwa ukuthi ngithini and ngifila kahle nami ngithanda ukuthi ngibe ne relationship nomama.
Uthanda ne? Into enhle leyo. Mahako mamako.
Okay.
Ngawari sizonakha namhlanje. Sizonakha. So hamba la kunoxolo la endlini nezwane. Kodwa uhlalo lokukhumbula ngasonke isikhathi ukuthi umama wakho uyakuthanda. Ene angeke uzumhlule ngoba uyi1. Yonke into ayenzayo emhlabeni umvuzo wakhona owakho. Ungafili outskirt. Ungafili abandoned. Ungafili ngathi umntwana okumele uhlale home. Beka satabalaza. Manje utabalazile. Makathi kuwe asambe mntwanami sesiyophila impilo ke manje. Ummamele umama wakho lo. Uma ungamameli umzali umuntu okulethe emhlabeni uzomamela abantu. Ubani ozoguide akubonisa impilo. Kuthi kunento eziso ezidangerous. Uma umntwana intombazana uziphatha kanje, uma umntwana intombazana kumele wenze so kuze uzoba nekusasa elihle.
So futhi la ngwana wa tshwenya o nkentse hore ke bana le hope yabo ya hore nna le ngwana ka at least maybe o tla bana le way forward mo relationshiping ya rona because now we're starting to lose hope. So nka tsho ke re gainile strength to fight for our relationship and there's hope.
into engizizwa ubuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi ngikathi ngisakhula nogogo wami bengihlezi ngibona abanye abantwana bahappy nabazali babo. Mina umama makahlali nami, so bengilimaza kakhulu into ukuthi umama makahlali nami. But at the end of the day bengiba-appreciate kakhulu. And then 2022 I think ngikhohlwa mama makabuya ejele. Mama manje ukuthi babami. I was kind of confused ukuthi kanjani, but then I had to accept ukuthi babami. And then there's a day where babami angazi ukuthi babami bangazi ukuthi bakalwelana nomama. And then waphula ifoni yami, and then watshela mama ukuthi uzosibulala siyi-2.
I remember him breaking the phone, but I don't remember him threatening. So it was my first time ke plan show. Ke utlwe actually.
So lento leyo yenza ukuthi ngibe ne-fear ukuthi one day uzoze azosingenela asibulale. So ngacala lapho ukusaba into ezengingasaphindi iphume engqondweni yami.
Indaba kababa ingiphatha kabi kakhulu, but then sengiza ngamele ukuthi ngi-accept ukuthi umama uvele uye umuntu ongikhulisile ngiyi-1. Vele ubaba mbakangoluke angekho vele elifini yami from 14 years ago.
Mama bewenze njani ubaba wengane enithreatenisha ezephule nefoni? Bekuyini inkinga? Benibangana uchaza?
Besingaba okay, ngasho ukuthi bekangibangisa ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ngibe sempilweni yakhe ngenkani. Ukuthi abe ubaba ku-ama. Kumele nami ngibe sempilweni yakhe ngenkani. Okay, the last time Mamelang bona papa was last year ka November. Naqedile ngolade exam for the year. Abaya lodge hug, and then things didn't go well. That was the last time.
Mama ngisathanda ukuxolisa ngalezi zinto engizenzile zonke. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngizosile ubuhlungu to a point where ufuna ukuzibulala, and ngiyathembisa ukuthi ngizozama ukwenza kangcono ngibe umntwana oright.
Ngiyathemba.
Uzoshintshana sisi. Balele ukuthi uzoshintshana ufuna ukucounta.
Suze program yakho njengomntwana ocabangayo ukuthi sozoyenzani. What will be your daily life program?
Sengizoqala ngithathe izinto zami zesikole serious la engidinga uncedo lakho khona ngizokucela ukuthi ngicela ungincedise. Sengizoqala ukuthi ngigeze izitsha ngenze yonke into ethe ngiyenze. Then sengizoqala futhi ngikhathe abangani off ngenze lento ofuna engithi yenze. Ngizobuya ngesikhathi leso ukuthi ngibuye ngasendlini. Futhi sengizoqala futhi ngijabulise.
U6 akasekho phelele.
Okay, into yokuqala nje ngiyaxolisa ukuthi ngi-allowe ama-circumstances to create distance between mina nawe. Ngixolisela ukuthi azange ngibe naso isikhathi esiningi nawe. Bengazi ukuthi ukuhamba isikhathi esingako ngiyozama impilo engcono for wena kuzokhretha lento ekhethile kithi. Ngicela ngixolela ukuthi bengingakhona ukumamela. Ngokuthi sometimes uma ukhuluma iqiniso angikuthembi because lendlela ongayo.
Into eyenza ukuthi ngikhale ngenkathi sami nomama wami isikhala sihleli lapha, it's because of ngambona uwrong wami ukuthi somehow ngiyamlimaza umama wami. Bengazi ukuthi ngimlimaza to a point whereby azakhala akhale ngakhona ukubona umama amakhala inhliziyo yami ebuhlungu kakhulu. And then ezinye zezinto wabe ngikhala it's because bengisisola ngazo.
Enye into ngicela uxolisa ukuthi azange ngikuphi chance yokuthi uqeda leli therapy mhlambe kuba sikula. And then into engizoyenza kangcono ukuthi ngizokunika isikhathi, ngizospend isikhathi esiningi nawe, ngizokumamela and then futhi ngizoresume i-therapy session yethu sihambise kuma-therapist so that sikwazi ukukhuluma siyisile lento lesiyiqale lana ngokwengcono. Ngiyakuthembisa futhi ukuthi yonke into ofuna ukuyenza ngizokusapota nanoma ngikukhuza ngizokukhuza ngothando nelokuhlasela. Ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi ngizohlala ngikuthanda ngikuvikela.
No, singayimoshi
Ntombi.
siyeke
Uthanyelo uyathanyela la.
do something.
Yeah.
Show some love in the house.
Yeah, sivalile. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uzofunda Ntombi ukupheka namhlanje ne?
Ngoqeda
Ya, ngiyabona ukuthi liyavuthwa. Hayi, sizodla manje. Ukuthi ngithi abahlanganyele benza izinto nomama. Bengifuna ukuthi nje sibuyise uthando lolu olushodile emuva. Obekufanele ngempela bebambane kanje ngoba umama nengane yentombazane yonke into kufanele ukuthi kube umama omlidayo alandeleke naye ebe umntwana oright manje besithi nje ake bebuyele lapho beyilande phansi and then bezokwazi ukuqhubeka kahle nendlela.
Yeah, lihambe kanjalo ilanga lanamhlanje bafethu. Let me say, young girls as avoiding a teenage pregnancy because the consequences of the teenage pregnancy might create a serious trauma or a chaos following the story of today. Siyazi futhi sine problem single parenting. Ngisasho ngithi akudlalwa ngomzimba. Ngomzimba akudlalwa. Mele ubusho ukuthi wenzani ngalento oyenzayo. Nibonile episode ihambe kanjani eya namhlanje. But thank you very much. The more we find a solution